Hello, my name is Dr. Meghna, Assistant Professor SVIST. Today I'll be talking about some common list of acronyms and abbreviations that we use on a daily basis in the part of word formation devices. Now what happens is that in our daily language we tend to shorten a lot of our words that we use. We shorten the names of institutions, as I just said, SVIST. We shorten the names of our institutions. We can shorten the name of a complete organization. Say for example, UNESCO or WHO or some policy, some act. So that is another example. But other examples are used in our casual atmospheres, we use in formal cases as well as for Instagram and other social media situations. So we need to know all of these. Let's deal with them one by one. So the commonest abbreviation and acronyms that we use is, say for example, DIY. DIY has come out of a need to do everything on our own because things are very costly these days. So DIY is do it yourself. Next is SPIN. Now these are some government related abbreviations that we need to know, such as banking short forms, as in NEFT, RTGS, or any other ones that we need to know. Say for example, UPI, that is Unified Payment Interface, that way. So we need to know the full form of all of these. These are the official ones. As in PIN, Personal Identification Number, ID, that is Identification Document, then GPS, Global Positioning System. Then there are names of certain equipments or scientific processes such as sonar, radar, news that we use on a daily basis, especially if you belong to scientific background. Then we have ATMs, OTPs, as I was saying, they are government related ones. ATM, automatic teller machine, OTP, one-time password, and so on and so forth. Next, we talk about, as I was saying, about social media or something. If we talk about content development online, then we have SEO. Everything works on the basis of SEO, that is search engine optimization. Then, in the formal environment, we have RSVP. Now, RSVP has come from the French phrase "Répondez s'il vous plaît." Répondez, please respond. S'il vous plaît, please, and vous is you. So, in the formal environment, this is something that we use. Kindly respond quickly. Now, it has come to mean as kindly respond quickly, and we have replaced it with another acronym, that is ASAP. That is another one that we use in our formal ones these days. It is usually casual, but now it has come in our formal conversations as well. HR, human resource, HR management, PR, public relation. Now these are the two integral parts of a company these days. HTML. Now let's come to computer related terms. HTTPS, HTML. Then we have URL, VPN, Wi-Fi, IP, all of these are computer-related terminology that we have to learn to operate any kind of technical devices on a day-to-day basis. Let's have a look at them. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. IP address of your mobile phone or your desktop is Internet Protocol. URL, say for example a link. Uniform Resource Locator. VPN, that we sometimes need to download certain things illegally even at times, virtual private network, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Yeah, this is laser, another process similar to sonar and radar. We have laser. It is the full form of laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Then again, computer related GIF image, you need JPEG image. You need a PNG form of image to put up in your government forms or any kind of other forms for passport photographs. So that also you need to know. Other ones are AM and PM. Usually they are not very commonly used nowadays because we have a 24-hour clock when we go for ticket booking. So if you still need to remember, it is ante-meridian, that is before noon, and post-meridian. Sorry, ante-meridian as in before noon and post-meridian as in after noon. We have SMS, we have MMS. Now these are little outdated because after 2020 a lot of people have stopped using SMS and MMS. We have WhatsApp, very frequently used. Postscript. Now postscript was something that was used for when we used to write letters, because we had to turn the page and we wanted to continue writing something underneath, and that is where we used to use postscript. Now it is a little nondescript, it's not used anymore. Yeah. Another form of shortening is BBQ. It's a shortening of barbecue. Then random access memory, I talked about ASAP, is ETA, estimated time of arrival. Now this is usually printed in your tickets. When you arrive through airplane or a train, they print estimated time of arrival for your train or for your plane. Because of course we do not know the exact time, if it might get delayed and all. FAQs are something that you usually find in your books as frequently asked questions, mostly at the end of a chapter. Then AKA, and also known as alias, 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 that is alias or another name that we say in Bengali as Chhodona, that way. NA, not applicable. Work from home, we all became familiar with it after 2020. Work from home. Then UX or UI, that is user experience or user interface. And these are the most sought after jobs these days. Then these are some designations that are also used as acronyms, as in colonel, or you have lieutenant or lieutenant, that's the pronunciation. So LT dot, COL dot. Doctor is DOC. Doctor is DR dot, just like your titles of Mrs., Mr. and Miss. Then department, DEPT, then document, then editor and edition is written as ED dot in books, because sometimes a book may have multiple authors. So the book is edited sometimes by a particular person, so that person is written as ED dot. That is all for acronyms and abbreviations.